Hi guys, Master 100. I'm doing a new series. They're gonna be hilarious. You might hear Sonic Adventure 2 Battle, Select the Stage theme in the background now. Okay, you know what my new series is? Unpackaging fruit snacks. This one's Phineas and Ferb edition. Okay, so let's see which ones I get. Yeah. Okay, so I got a grape one, Dr. Doofenshmirtz. These are hilarious. I got a blue one, Perry the Platypus. I got an orange one, which is Candace. Yeah, and Phineas and Ferb I think is okay. I got grape, Dr. Doofenshmirtz again. I got Agent P. Cherry, my favorite kind. Cherry, yeah. Got the cherry one. Ooh, I got yellow, which is Phineas. They should really switch Agent P and Phineas around. I got another Agent P. I dropped them. My last two are Perry and okay, another one of these, Agent P. Okay guys, that is my new series. Yay. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and Master 100 signing out. Wait, oh yeah, I'm getting a Chaos Chow, neutral one. Okay, so now, hurry, subscribe, and Master 100 signing out.